And welcome back to the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Joining me now are Captain John Andrechik and Captain John Andrechik and Lieutenant Brianna Townsend. Captain, what an honor it was, right, to ring the opening bell. How significant a moment is this for you and the U.S. Coast Guard to ring the opening bell on the eve of the nation's birthday, July 4th?
Oh my gosh, Allison, yeah, just an incredible honor to be here representing the more than 57,000 active duty reserve and civilian members of the Coast Guard today. Just a tremendous honor to be here and an honor to do the work we do here in New York every day in service to the nation and the American people.
Lieutenant, you will be on patrol on the Hudson River, right? Providing base for safety and security operations during the July 4th fireworks show. Can you take viewers who are watching this show today through some of your primary responsibilities of the event, please?
Yes, ma'am. So we're definitely looking forward to being out there on the 4th tomorrow. We'll be making sure that all of the mariners, all the recreation vessels are safe throughout the evening and they're able to return home safely to their families that same day as well.
Captain, we understand that hundreds of billions of dollars are transported on the waters under your jurisdiction. How are you ensuring that the maritime transportation system is always operating smoothly?
Yeah, great question, Allison. Look, our Coast Guard men and women are out there every day on the water doing incredibly important missions like maintaining our waterways, the aids to navigation that mark those waterways, and then being available if something happens, right, to promptly respond and restore that marine transportation system that's so critical to our national economy.
Of course, Lieutenant, you're finishing up your second tour of duty as commander of a ship, which is a rare feat for any officer, much less being a female in a particularly male-dominated profession. What message do you have for women who are looking to join the Coast Guard?
Anything is possible. You know, if you put in the hard work, anything is possible and you can do it. Make sure that you have a good support system as well, and you'll be just fine.
That's great advice. Great advice, certainly. Captain, your command sector, New York, is the biggest and most consequential Coast Guard command in the country. What are some new challenges you and your team are overcoming to protect the region?
Well, that's a great point. And, you know, one of the things that we deal with here in New York is a very busy and congested waterway, and it's a shared use waterway. You know, one of my jobs as the captain of the port is to ensure the safety, security, and environmental protection of that waterway each and every day, but also enable it to be used for commercial and recreational purposes, right? And so that increasing use of the waterway is a challenge that we face each and every day. But I'm incredibly proud of the team that we have here that helps enforce that safety, security, environmental protection here in the port.
Lieutenant, before we go, we have to congratulate you on your promotion to Lieutenant Commander, which will officially take place tomorrow. Talk me through just how special this is for you.
It's such an honor, you know, to be here the day before I promote, and I'm so thankful for everyone that has helped me get to this point in my career so far.
Wonderful. Thanks so much, Captain and Lieutenant, for joining us. Congratulations on that great honor of ringing the opening bell. Thanks for your time and thanks for your service.